You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase. This is a contraction. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, basic vocabulary, and more advanced one, confusing vocabulary too, stay tuned. I've got a few videos for you at the end of this one. 2 different ways of pronouncing it. First one is your, just like the possessive your. The second alternative pronunciation, which is also used, is as your, you or. So 2 different ways, your or your. Can you hear the difference? Your. Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.